How to contact Remitly support. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can contact Remitly support. In order to do so, first of all, open your Remitly application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Now here at the bottom right, you will be able to locate the manage icon. Simply tap on it and then you will be taken to this page. Here in this page, you'll be able to locate Help Center at the very top next to Refer Friends option. Once you locate it, simply tap on it and then inside it here you'll be able to see different articles that are suggested for you in order to solve your problems. Here you will just need to scroll a bit down and then there you'll be able to locate this interface. You'll be able to see two different options in order to contact Remitly support. If you would like to chat with the virtual assistant, then you can simply tap on this chat option and then you will be connected to a virtual bot. Now here you can type in your message in order to contact the customer support. You may also state your issue and then it will help you to solve your problem. Also, if you prefer calling instead of chat, then you may also call to your customer support. For that, you will need to come back to the previous page by tapping on the arrow at the top left corner of your screen and then here select the phone option. Choose one of these phone options based on your preference. Simply tap on just once or always option based on your preference and then you'll be able to see the number on your interface based on the country and then now you can simply tap on the call button at the very bottom in order to call to their support. And now you can state your issue and ask for the immediate help. So this is how you can contact Remitly support. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.